Oi. Oh yeah. She's waiting for me. Good dog.
Labradors, it would seem that the Labradors. She'll be at home falling over when it gets home.
Good dog. Good dog. See, that's the one I will be catching from the city. For one Duke Street. Yeah, that's where I catch the bus from. We normally go straight that way, but we turn. We shouldn't have turned. We just keep going. But if we keep walking, we get to the same place. So that's good. So how many days were you sore for last week? From walking?
Really sore. No, it's okay. That night, my right here, side groin area hurted, but I don't know. But then it went away the next day.
Okay. Probably because of the walk.
Maybe.
You're balancing it.
But see, I had a hernia more on my left side. They had a hernia on the right, but only very small.
Okay. You have to keep walking straight now.
Try.
So you might actually start enjoying it now. Look.
I think
No more resistance.
I think she was. You know, they just don't get used to it.
Yeah.
They got something strange strapped onto their body.
Of course. Ooh. Oh, sure.